Meer Group, where structured real estate development meets scalable partnership opportunities. At the core of our mission is a single belief that real estate should be accessible and secure pathway for long-term capital growth, whether through joint ventures, franchise models, or managed partnerships.
Meer Group facilitates the entry into the prime real estate development across UAE and Saudi Arabia. We offer a platform to individuals and entities who can participate in high potential projects and avoid the complexity of project management. And through our structured approach, partners are introduced to opportunities such as asset-backed participation, a complete managed process, and a strategic payment allocation.
And in the UAE, participation starts from 2.5 million dirhams, and here is what partners gain. Full legal ownership from day one, hassle-free property acquisition, coordination and paperwork, a chance for UAE Golden Visa, a transparent monthly installment plan executed by Meer Group.
Meer Group is proud to be a part of Saudi Arabia's transformative real estate journey. Under our Aurora Developments umbrella, we are shaping future living across Riyadh, Jeddah and Dammam through iconic projects. Aurora Villas, Aurora Heights, Aurora Breeze, Smart Cognitive AI City.
Meer Group's rapid extension in real estate is in line with our vision. Ultimate vision is smart cities all over the world. Smart cities where the technology, AI, sustainability, everything is integrated, and we create communities where people have job opportunities, business opportunities, as well as we can have a positive impact, whether it's environmental, whether it's impact on the people living within the city. To get to that point, we have launched so many different projects and added few projects in our existing portfolio in Saudi Arabia, in GCC, in Europe, Spain, Portugal. And what is different in my way of working is I work with other people. So for example, when you do a development project, normally it's a bank involved or a few big investors involved, or the development company invests itself, and all the profits you make at the development stage. So I'm adding people and I'm inviting people, general public, to work with us. What happens with that? Then we get some really amazing people who can help us achieve our impact vision, as well as they get really good profits. Also, we create communities who work together to create something special. That's the ultimate vision. So I invite everyone to work with us in these development projects. Some of the best profits, as well as the impact environmentally, socially. And when all the good people come together, they can do some amazing things, and that's the target. Thank you very much.
Meer Group is not just a real estate developer. We are a platform for meaningful collaboration. Our goal is to build long-term alliances through models that are transparent, secure, and focused on tangible outcomes. Whether you are looking to diversify in real estate, expand regionally, or align with transformative urban developments, our franchise, joint ventures, and partner-lead structures are designed to support your vision. Join us in building the future of real estate in GCC. The foundation is already laid. Let's grow together. Meer Group, unifying strength.